What is good, everyone? It is the weekend. It's the weekend. I saw some friends this weekend. You know what? It's funny because yes, they are my friends, but they are more my wife's friends. So I get to hang out with my wife's friends and they're pretty awesome.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Hey, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah.
Hey, what's good, everyone? I wanted to do another weekend video because for one, I've been on this really nice streak of posting. If you haven't noticed, you can click one of the videos, check it out. But also just to show some of the balance that I'm trying to implement in my life. I do write on the weekend sometimes. I think about writing all the time, but it's always good to get out and also see friends. So we got to hang out with some friends. We were originally going to go to a market and that didn't happen because my wife only has one vaccination and they were only accepting people who had fully vaccination. So didn't get to go, no big deal. We decided to go out for some drinks instead. And that was fun. I got to hang out with my wife and a great friend by the name of Catherine. I've never gotten the chance to work with Catherine. I don't know why I'm calling her Catherine. My name's Catherine, but everyone calls her Cat. I'm gonna call her Cat. Got to hang out with Cat for a little bit and we just kind of talked about school, talked about life. And then we also got to see Ursa, who's awesome. And she is also one of my wife's friends. She's great. And we kind of just hung out, honestly. They went for dinner because they're way more cooler than I am. And I came home and I watched You. Not like You, but the Netflix movie You. I almost said Voice. And for those of you, well, not even those of you, my wife and Cat who were out with us, I thought it was called The Voice for some reason, but it's actually called You. It is a Netflix series that I'm enjoying. It's quite gruesome, but it's a thriller and I'm enjoying it. But that was my weekend. Sorry, that was my Saturday at least. I'm looking forward to what balance I bring to my Sunday. I have 2 fantasy drafts. I'll maybe let you know what my fantasy draft looked like. But other than that, it was great. Thanks for hanging out with me. Stay blessed. Peace.